Greetings to all. Let us discuss structure and working of a human ear. The sounds that we hear are actually the vibrations produced in the air columns around us. The organ that enables us to hear is the ear. It consists of three parts: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Let us discuss first outer ear. This is the only part of the ear that is visible to us. It consists of the pinna, ear canal, and the eardrum. The pinna gathers the sound waves and leads them to the ear canal where they strike the eardrum. Eardrum, also known as tympanic membrane, is a stretched membrane that separates the outer ear from the middle ear. These sound waves vibrate the membrane of the eardrum. The vibrating eardrum sends these waves from outer ear to the middle ear. Now middle ear. This part of the ear consists of three tiny bones: hammer, also known as malleus, anvil, also known as incus, and stirrup, also known as stapes. These three bones are named according to their shapes and are collectively called ossicles. The vibrations from the eardrum are transmitted to these bones, which are closely packed. As a result, these three bones begin to vibrate one after the other and finally transmit the vibrations from middle ear to the inner ear. Third, inner ear. The inner ear contains cochlea and semicircular canals. Cochlea is a spirally coiled tube and looks like a snail shell. It is filled with a fluid and has many sensitive hair cells. The sensitive hair cells convert vibrations into nerve impulses and send through sensory neurons to the auditory nerve that connects inner ear to the brain. Brain converts these nerve impulses into specific sounds. Now let us understand, what do you mean by audible and inaudible sounds? You have learnt that a vibrating object produces sound. But when you vibrate your hand forward and backward, you do not hear any sound. Why? This is because our ears do not respond to sounds having frequency less than 20 Hz. Also, frequency higher than 20,000 Hz cannot be heard by human beings. The sound whose frequency lies between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz that we are able to hear is called audible sound. The sounds of frequency less than 20 Hz or greater than 20,000 Hz cannot be detected by a human ear. These are called inaudible sounds. The sounds having frequency less than 20 Hz are called infrasonic sounds. Rhinoceroses, whales, and elephants produce sounds in infrasonic range. It is observed that these animals get disturbed before an occurrence of the earthquake because they can sense the low frequency waves produced by the movement of the earth. The sounds having frequency more than 20,000 Hz are called ultrasonic sounds. Dolphins use ultrasound to communicate with one another, whereas bats emit ultrasound and listen to the echoes to navigate and find food in dark. Dogs can hear up to 40,000 Hz. There are special whistles known as Galton's whistle that can produce sounds of frequency more than 20,000 Hz. The owners of dogs can use these whistles to give signals to their dogs.